Welcome. Did you know that you had a superpower up until now? Did you know that you had a superpower in your pockets, but you never really, you know, knew? The music that you listen to can actually turn out to be the superpower that you need to become the superhuman. Now, this might sound cringe, this might sound weird, but let me explain. So, whatever goes inside of your brain has a chance of reshaping your future. So, if you sit down and visualize you fucking someone, or you visualize, some kind of that scene, you're gonna get horny, right? Why is that? Or if you think about your goals every single day, you're gonna achieve your goals, right? So it's all mental, such as music, but you don't even know what music you listen to because you're so fixated about bobbing your head to music. You're listening to some kind of, aggressive funks or aggressive rock or pop music. I don't know what you're into, but you can actually turn them into a superpower. So for the next 2 months, I want you to not touch any music, no music at all. So this is a music detox. Do not touch any music for 2 months. So when I was actually starting this, I told everyone around me I don't listen to any music. And I remember my cousin saying to me, "Dude, you love music. Why did you stop?" And I was like, "Dude, music bad." Even though it wasn't bad, I just tried to use this technique. For the next 2 months, do not really touch music anymore. And after those 2 months, the music is gonna become pleasurable, and only use music when you need it, such as when you need to work out and you need that extra boost, or when you need to do something that is hard. You can use that music because look, if you always eat the chocolate that is in front of you, after that time the chocolate isn't gonna taste as good as it used to be because you're so used to that chocolate. Same applies to music. If you only listen to music when the times get rough, look, you're gonna become superhuman because look, when people went into a war, they had some kind of music, giving them the motivation and the drive that they needed to get ahead, to win the battle. Same applies to you. If you use the music that you like correctly, you're gonna achieve the feats that you never thought was possible. So I want you to give this shot. I welcome you on this journey, brother, and good luck.